Good morning, my fellow YouTube viewers. What I wanted to talk to you about today is the General Ledger accounting cycle. I got this information from another YouTube video, www.technofunk.com. It was about a 20-minute video, but the only thing I'm going to discuss is the actual accounting cycle for the General Ledger. In order to have an accounting cycle for the General Ledger, you need three basic pieces of information. The first one is the nature of the parties, and that's where you set up your chart of accounts. The second one is your date of transaction, and that's when you set up your calendars. And the third one is your currency, so that's when you set up your currency. So the General Ledger accounting cycle, after you have those three basic pieces of information, the first step is to manage the accounting periods, and that is done via the calendars. The second step is to manage the currency. Third step is to import transactions. You can import either from Excel or other accounting packages. The fourth step is to record transactions, so you can record transactions in the accounting package. Fifth step is to review the transactions, so you'll look at them and make sure they are correct. The sixth step is to edit transactions. So if there are any changes that need to be made, you can edit those changes. The seventh step is transaction approval. So that particular transaction needs to be approved. The eighth step is to analyze and manipulate the data. The ninth step is the statutory reporting, and that's when you would create your financial statements, such as your statement of income and expenditure, balance sheet, and your cash flow statement, just to name a few. You can also create a trial balance. The 10th step is management reporting, and that is when you would create management reports to be used within the organization. And the final step is management consolidation, is when you would consolidate the information of all the general ledgers to form consolidated financial statements and consolidated reports. So that concludes this presentation on the General Ledger accounting cycle. It has 11 steps, and you need three basic pieces of information to initiate your General Ledger accounting cycle. Goodbye.